Hi, today I'd like to give you a very brief overview of Remote-to-PC. What it is, how does it work, and what problem does it solve and for who. Remote-to-PC is a remote computer access application for home, business, or IT use. There are two main components that make up the Remote-to-PC product offering. First is the command center, and the other is the actual remote access application. Every user account gets their own unique individual command center from which they can assign groups of computers, groups of users, create deployment files if they're IT people and need to email those out to customers to access their computers, monitor logs and connections. I've got one computer in this particular command center and I'm going to connect to it. And as you can see, I can actually utilize this computer here as if I'm on it. I can do remote printing, remote file transfer. If I need to do support, I can do a chat and lock the remote input. As far as what problems Remote-to-PC solves, there are really three different categories of users. There's the basic and small business, that would be the most affordable plan, with starting at $99 per year for up to 10 remote computers. Then there's the Teams level user that provides up to 50 remote computers with unlimited user accounts. This would be for if the office staff needed remote access into their computers. This is a good plan for that. Then there's enterprise level plans, which go start at 100 remote computers and go up into the thousands. That comes with everything in Teams, but it also has some remote monitoring and management capabilities with alerts from core system metrics. And so that's an overview of Remote-to-PC and why Remote-to-PC is a remote access solution for everyone.